Santa Barbara offers excellent cycling options like the Los Padres National Forest trails, the scenic path from East to West Beach, and the challenging Gibraltar Road. But the greatest challenge you can encounter as a cyclist is recovering from a collision with a motor vehicle. These can lead to severe injuries, which come with major medical expenses and lengthy recovery periods. When a motorist is at fault for your bicycle accident, their insurance should cover your medical costs. Insurance companies always fight to reduce your payout, but Maison Law is here to fight for you. Maison Law in Santa Barbara understands the challenges cyclists face on the road. Our experienced bicycle accident attorneys will gather evidence, interview witnesses, and build a strong case to win the compensation you deserve for your medical bills, lost wages, pain and suffering, and other damages. So if you or someone you care about has been hurt in a bicycle accident around Santa Barbara, call Maison Law today for a free consultation. Let us handle the legal fight so you can focus on your recovery.